No yeast cheese Pandesal. Ingredients:
1 cup milk,
2 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 pinch salt, mix it well. To cascade flour, all-purpose flour and a 1/2 cup wheat flour.
mix until well combined and the dough is formed.
Add 3 tablespoons sugar, sprinkle some oil or kneading to prevent from sticking. It's also help if you sprinkle some flour while you knead the dough. Knead for 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a ball and place in a bowl and cover
Let
with
it rise
plastic
for
or
1
towel.
hour or until double in size.
After 1 hour, get the dough and divide into 6 to 8 small parts. And add some cheese. Put all in baking tray and bake in preheated oven 108 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. The Pandesal is done.
Enjoy!
Very soft and moist. Yummy!
Thanks for watching.